Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session, we will solve question number 1 of exercise 9.1. Okay, see in question number 1, it is asking you to find out or to list 5 rational numbers in between -1 and 0. So students, if you will draw this -1 and 0 on the number line, here suppose somewhere is 0 and to the left of number line we are having minus numbers. Okay, so suppose here is -1. तो आप अगर देखोगे तो यहाँ 0 और -1 के बीच में कोई नंबर ही नहीं दिख रहा है. But as I told you in my introduction video, students, that there are infinite rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Like here, in between 0 and -1, there are infinite rational numbers. Okay, now I will explain you how. See, here we are having -1 and 0, and we have to find or we have to list 5 rational numbers in between them. So, what is the method of solving these such type of questions, students? See, one thing more I would like to tell you, students, before starting my solution, that this rational number chapter is again there in 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, and same approximately same question is there. Okay, see, यही same question जो है 5 rational number, 10 rational number, 7 rational numbers between two given rational numbers आपको find करने के लिए 8th standard में भी बोला जाएगा. So I would like to tell you that you have to understand here only, है ना, यहीं पे आपको समझ लेना है. Now here we are having -1, okay, and here we are having 0, right? So first we will have to create a space. Like suppose we are clicking our selfie or we are clicking any photograph. Okay, then when you will zoom that photograph, then as the resolution of the image is coming, means zooming in or zooming out, then if you will zoom the picture, then all the small particles, even if the camera quality, if the resolution of the picture is very good, then all the small particles also is visible, है ना. तो like that only, students, if you will zoom here the number line that I drawn, okay, here 0, here -1. So if you will zoom this portion, है ना, if you will zoom this portion, then infinite numbers are there. Okay, so we have to create that space. तो क्या करना है, हमें स्पेस वहाँ पे क्रिएट करना है, किसके बीच में, 0 और -1 के बीच में, so that we can visualize, we can get the rational number. Okay, now how to create that space? I have already explained you in introduction video, but still now here also I will explain you. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, -1 है, नीचे में कुछ भी नहीं है यानी 1 है, यहाँ पे भी 1 है, ठीक है, because after dividing any number by 1, then we are getting that number itself as answer, so no issue is there. Okay, now here what we will have to do, we will multiply by some number. क्या करेंगे, हम किसी एक नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जैसे कि यहाँ पे 5 नेचुरल रेशनल नंबर हमें चाहिए, तो क्या करेंगे, जनरली 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई करने समय आपको ध्यान ये रखना है कि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों जगह पे सेम ही नंबर से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. लाइक सपोज हियर आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई 7. ओके, सो हियर ऑल्सो एट द डिनोमिनेटर ऑल्सो आई विल हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाई 7. क्यों? क्योंकि इक्वेशन ऑफ ये फ्रैक्शन का जो है इक्विलिब्रियम बनी रहे. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये 7 कट जाएगा तो हमारा -1 ही बचेगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे सपोज यहाँ पे भी 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. क्यों 7 से ही मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर हमें सेम मिल जाएगा एंड इट विल बिकम लाइक फ्रैक्शन. बट आई एम नॉट टीचिंग यू फ्रैक्शन चैप्टर. ओके, सो हियर आपने ये ध्यान रखना है कि रैशनल नंबर में भी हम लाइक मतलब कि डिनोमिनेटर को कोशिश करते हैं कि इक्वेट कर दें. ठीक है, दो रैशनल नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर को. तो यहाँ पे आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग हियर 7 into -1 you will get -7 and 7 into 1 you will get 7 and here you will get 7 into 0 you will get 0 and 7 into 1 you will get 7. Now here we are having 0 and -7, students. In between 0 and -7 we are having again 6 numbers. ओके, नाउ सपोज इफ यू वुड हैव, अगर आप यहाँ पे और बड़े नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किए होते तो और स्पेस क्रिएट होता, और बड़े नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किए होते तो और स्पेस क्रिएट होता. मीन्स एज बिगर एज नंबर्स यू विल सेलेक्ट, दैट मेनी चॉइसेस, दैट मेनी रैशनल नंबर्स यू विल गेट. दैट इज व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू दैट देयर आर इनफाइनाइट रैशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन एनी टू गिवन रैशनल नंबर. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अब हमें 0 7 मिल गया, -7/7 मिल गया। अब इसके बीच में जो रैशनल नंबर्स कौन कौन, सिंस 5 rational numbers between them, since 5 rational numbers between them is equal to how which are the students, -6/7 will be lesser than -5/7 will be lesser than -4/7 will be lesser than -3/7, okay, and will be lesser than -2/7. How many rational numbers we got? 1 2 3 4 5. Still -1 is remaining, okay, still -1 we can also write, but we need only 5 rational numbers. So like this we are creating the space, students, and then we are writing the rational numbers. Okay, now coming to next segment, segment number 2. Segment number 2 we have to find out between -1, -2 and -1. ठीक है, similarly again here also we will multiply. Here -2/1 is there and here -1/1 is there, so multiply here also by 7 or by 6 or by 8 by 10, any number you can multiply. And one more thing, you keep it in your mind, students, you may get different answers, okay, you may get different answers. As I told you, between any two given rational numbers there are infinite rational numbers. Suppose some student will multiply here by 10, some student will multiply here by 17, so their all answers will be different. ठीक है, आंसर्स डिफरेंट होगा। तो नाउ यहाँ पे भी मैं 7 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहूँगा, यहाँ पे भी 7 से करूँगा और यहाँ पे भी 7 से करूँगा। ठीक है, सो हियर आई विल गेट -14/7 एंड हियर I will get -7/7. Now you can write the 5 rational numbers. What are those 5 rational numbers? -13/7 less than 12/7 less than 11/7 less than -10/7 less than -9/7. How much we got? 1 2 3 4 5. So here are your 5 rational numbers, and you can see, students, that these all rational numbers are between -1 and -2 and -1. Okay, now moving to next segment, segment number 3. Okay, just let me. Third segment, it is given -4/5 and -2/3. We have to find out 5 rational number between them. Okay, so what we will do, students, first we will equate their denominator. ठीक है, पहले हम denominator को equal करेंगे and then we will create the space between them. First we will see, after equating the denominator, how much space we are getting, and then if required then we will create the more space by multiplying at the numerator and denominator by same number. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो कैसा, ठीक है, यहाँ पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यहाँ पे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। अब हमारा दोनों डेनोमिनेटर सेम आ गया, तो यहाँ डेनोमिनेटर पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किए तो न्यूमरेटर पे भी 3 से करना पड़ेगा। यहाँ डेनोमिनेटर पे 5 से किया तो न्यूमरेटर पे भी 5 से करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, नाउ हियर आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग यू विल गेट -12/15 एंड हियर स्टूडेंट्स यू विल गेट -10/15. Now you can see both are having same denominator and we can see only two space are there. Okay, सिर्फ एक ही है, बल्कि दो भी नहीं है, -10 -12. So -11/15 is only rational number that we can see easily, although there are infinite rational number but we cannot see. So what we will do, we will create the space by multiplying with the same number. Okay, we need 5, so we will multiply. Already we are having 1. Okay, so we will multiply not by greater number. ज़्यादा बड़ा नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई क्यों करना, जैसे कि पहले मैं 7 से कर रहा था, अभी मैं 5 से ही करूँगा. So here multiply it by 5, here also you multiply by 5, here also multiply by 5 and here also multiply it by 5. Now here 12 5 ja, here you will get 60 and here 15 5 ja 75 and here you will get 50 and here you will get 75. Now you can see easily we are having 10 rational numbers, students, easily. Okay, now see here, what are those? -59 very first by 75 less than -58 by 75 less than -57 by 75 less than -56 by 75 less than -55 by 75. How much rational numbers? 1 2 3 4 5. So we got 5 rational numbers. Okay, moving to next segment students, last segment, that is minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Okay, again first we will equate the denominator. So here we will multiply by 3 and here we will multiply by 2. So here also multiply by 2 and here also multiply by 3. Now here after multiplying, 3 1 ja minus 3, 3 2 ja, here you will get 6, and here 2 2 ja 4 and here 6. Now in between them we are having already 5 rational numbers, I think. Minus 2, see here, minus 2 upon 6, next minus 1 upon 6, next 0 upon 6, next 1 upon 6, next 2 upon 6, next 3 upon 6. We are having already 1 2 3 4 5 6 rational numbers we got. Okay, so here what happened students, यहाँ पे स्पेस क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ी है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे मैं देख पा रहा हूँ कि दोनों के बीच में ऑलरेडी क्या था, स्पेस था. सिर्फ मैंने क्या किया, दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वेट कर दिया, ठीक है. सो हियर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट इफ फ्रैक्शनल रैशनल नंबर इज देयर, देन यू हैव टू इक्वेट द डिनोमिनेटर एंड यू हैव टू क्रिएट द स्पेस, एंड देन you have to find out the rational numbers, as much rational numbers as it is asked by your question. So this was your question number 1. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.